Hi, in this tutorial I will guide you how can you create online courses, free or paid, and how can you manage them with uh, installments and with full uh, payment on the spot, and how can you help your customers to buy one package and then other, and if they have already purchased the package, so how to remind them and how to prevent them to buy the same package again. And if they have purchased first package, so after how many days you are required them to, or you need that they should buy the next package within that time, else you wanna restrict their access to the partially purchased package. Once they have completed the purchase, either by buying the complete product or the complete packages, I mean complete installments, tiers. So uh, then you wanna give them full access for lifetime, right? So I will go through all this step by step. Number one, how to create an online course, right? So you can choose posts, right? Or you can choose pages. I'm choosing post for this purpose for now. Posts, add new post, select some title for lesson, add some content here, some paid content, right? It's better to choose a category, create a category for these lessons, like course. For, like, I have created WordPress course, so it will help me to manage the lessons within a category for a course. So lesson 1, same like this, I will create lesson number 2, 3, 4, 5. And I will simply link these links, copy link location, right? I will link them here in a page like this: OL, LI, and lesson 2, 1 to 6, right? It's just a page, nothing else. It's just simply a page for navigation, like this one. But lessons are paid. This page is free, you can access it, anybody can access it, and this one should be paid, right? How can you make posts pages controlled by installments? Simply go to WooCommerce installments settings page here, come here and select post. From post, type post. If you are managing your paid content with pages, you can check this. If you are interested to make some product page, right, with with the paid control, you can check this or anything. I mean, I'm fetching all these post types. A few are irrelevant. I mean, a few are relevant, remaining all are irrelevant for this purpose, but I'm just giving this. So in future I can make better decisions according to your requirements. People will be giving me feedback, and so because they are having more custom post types, so all of those custom post types can be managed here. They can manage with portfolios, they can manage online courses with some other post types which are still are unknown to me. I have no idea what kind of scenario will there be. So for now I'm managing with post, so you need to check post types here. Let's go to that post again. So now create a WooCommerce product through which your customers will pay you. Come here, create a product, name it, add some description. If you are if you are offering some full, this description will be displayed on full page, I mean full uh, single product page. uh, make some price for it, and yes, one important thing, If you are interested to offer some cheap price in full buy and high price in installments, you can do that, like 10, 50, 70, it will become 130. But if someone is interested to buy in full, he has to pay only 100. So go to Woo Installments, this area, define these sets. You can use the name set, package, or maybe bundle, maybe step 1, step 2, whatever you want, and you can make as many as tiers you want, as many as installments you want. Okay, I have made 3. In first, I'm giving only first lesson with $10. Next $50 will give access to next 3 lessons, 2, 3, and 4. And next $70 will give access to 5th, 6th, and we will issue a certificate to that customer once he will complete the course, and maybe he can appear for an online test as well, right? Like this. Update. So this is all available in $70, the last set. Okay, here is the new feature for validity. Validity is about that if you set it to 0, right? I show you what is the difference. If you set it to 0, so you are not forcing your customer to buy all the installments. You are willing, you are happy with the, as customer is happy. I mean, he take the first set, he take the first introduction lesson. If he's busy, he's not willing to buy second set and third set, that's fine. He still can access his purchased lesson for lifetime. No restrictions, no time frame restrictions. So but if you want that, you are allowing him only for 30 days. After 30 days, his access will be limited. He cannot he can access his order pages, he can access his account, but he cannot access that lesson, that area, until he buy either next package, anyone, or the full, or maybe pay in full, right? So I'm not restricting it him for now. Let's go to the lesson and check it. How does it behave? Here is the description. Sorry for the inconvenience. You are required to purchase the following packages to proceed. Okay, I have just changed the featured image to a relevant WordPress banner, and lesson 1 is having some relevant text to the WordPress, so it will make some sense. And I have added a video, YouTube video. So this lesson 1 is a paid content, right? But it is not asking us to buy it now. So let's restrict it by associating it with this product installment, right? Update, refresh. Sorry for the inconvenience. You are required to purchase the following packages to proceed. The interesting thing is here that for the last thing, like for the certificate, for the test, for example, I create it. It will make better understanding. For example, online WordPress test, right? You are required to fill all these fields, and your time starts now. Right, so something like this, and assign it to WordPress course, right? And some featured image, same like I assign this. Now WordPress online WordPress test cannot be taken until he purchase first, right? Until he purchase, the customer purchase first package, also second package, also third package. Publish, right? And I copy it and also add something here. After taking all these lessons, you need to submit your online test. Click here to take online test. You can retake in next 10 days again. Some text, whatever is applicable in your case, right? Click here, right? So when someone will click here, as it is paid, right? Sorry for the inconvenience. You are required to purchase the following packages to proceed. 1, 2, 3. Nobody can take the test without having these 3 purchases. So let's go to the product. As we are having these 3 sets and we are setting the validity, maybe you are giving the course for 1 month, okay, that's fine. Make it then 7 days validity. I mean, one set is accessible for only 7 days. I mean, a user, a student is uh, a student will have only 7 days to study. You can make every instruction clear on this page. I do that. Mm, okay. Instructions. You have 7 days for each set. There are 3 sets in this course, and you need to study the lessons within if you need to study, watch the lessons within 7 days, and then proceed, purchase the next package, or your access will be limited until you purchase next package. So like this, you are pushing your customers, your students, to study well. I mean, instead of take first package and they don't study the whole month and the next month and the next month, and they just keep studying first package and they never come back and they never appear again. So it's better that you mention that what is the validity of set, every set, right? For example, 7 days are ideal for online courses, I think, for WordPress. Okay, update, refresh. So instructions are here. Now someone is willing to buy, he will come here on lesson number 1, like this. and he see, oh, this is a paid thing, then he will click here to buy. Right, he will go for introduction first, pay, checkout. I'm having some blog UI issue, don't worry about that. Okay, place order. Done. So the customer has purchased the first package. Now that lesson should be available for him. I show you by refreshing. You see, that lesson is available because he has purchased the first package. What another awesome thing is that whenever he will try to access the second set, so he will get the same prompt like this, uh, because the second set will be having this association. You will create another post for a second lesson, another post for third lesson, another post for fourth lesson, and all of these three will be assigned to this category just for your better management, course management. And then you will associate those three lessons with this set. So whenever the student will try to access those three lessons, so system will prompt them to buy second set from here. Refresh the page, you see, already purchased. I mean, this system will help the user uh, to know that he has already purchased the first package. No need to buy this one, go for this one or this one. Maybe he want to cover last lessons first, maybe he is willing to go for these lessons first, right? Or maybe you are interested to give an option to full purchase as well. Save changes, full purchase, refresh, right? So if somebody is willing to buy a full, he can save his money. I mean, after taking introduction of $10, he is willing to buy the complete product. So buying complete product, he can save his $20 in our case, in my case, because it worth $130 if he goes by installments, right? So you can make some introduction of $5, maybe $2, maybe $1, and then if he likes, so you can say that if you will buy in full, you will get this kind of discount. If you will go in installments, you have to pay extra 50, extra 70. Okay, leave it. So I was saying that how this plugin will help your customers to know that this package has already been purchased. You need to buy this one and this one, these two are pending. Okay, he goes on, proceed to checkout, and then please ignore this step, it is having some issues on my version. Blog UI thing, you will not be facing this one. Okay, second is purchased as well. What now? uh, he might will try to access he might will like try to access the online test. I'm going to the last step, right? He will think that, oh, I have bought these. Okay, second is open, third is open, fourth is open, you see, like this, as I'm having the same link behind that. So for example, lesson 4 is open. Okay, he tried to access 5th and 6th. Okay, now he tried to take the test. He goes here, and that test page is saying, sorry for the inconvenience, you are required to purchase the following packages to proceed, right? Set 3 is still not purchased. That's why online test cannot be taken. Okay, then he will go to the product page again. He will see, okay, I have bought these two, I need to purchase this one, right? He will proceed. One, two, three. Okay, finally he has purchased the complete product. Now you are required to fill all these. I mean, this is accessible. Now it is accessible for lifetime. As he has purchased the complete product, he can access first lesson, second lesson, third lesson, everything. I mean, until you are not going to change this thing, or still he can access until you are not going to change these. That in future maybe you will add some revision, you some add some refresher course in it, and you will say that, oh, if you need to access this, so if you need to access this course again, or this you want to take this test again, you need to buy another package recently added. I mean, that is not a good practice. It's better to offer a new course instead. But in case, I'm telling you that you can change the permissions from here. Okay, there is another interesting thing, that now this thing will not bother the user, as he has already purchased the, the required packages. This validity will bother until he didn't purchase these packages or the complete product. So that's it. Or if you as initially I mentioned, that if you want to give free hand to your customers, that either they take first, second or third or anything, and they, and no restrictions on them, simply use 0. Note, leave it to 0 for no restrictions. They will come, they will buy only this set, they will go, they will maybe some after a few months they will come back, they like your course and they want the complete course, they will come back and they will purchase it, the remaining installments, or maybe buy in full if you have enabled this one, right? So this was a complete tutorial about that, how you can create an online course and how you can manage them with categories for better management. How can you enable that uh, restrictions, that permissions for a post type, like as for example I have taken it for posts. You can manage for pages, for products, right? All these are in fact irrelevant at the moment, these post types. So 3 are relevant at least: post, page, product. And maybe in your themes you are having some custom post types, maybe your developer has provided you some better post types for courses, but you are not having some better checkout process. So I would suggest you to go with WooCommerce checkout process, and this add-on, this extension Woo Installments, is really good for you. And yes, one more thing, that it will automatically manage to check that how many sets were required to access a lesson, and it will only display the remaining one. So it is intelligent enough. I will try to give more examples in next tutorials, but as a as an introductory uh, tutorial, I think it's good enough to start with. Or I'm open for your suggestions. um, Thank you so much.